So good evening all, welcome to Sakala Vijay YouTube channel. Okay, welcome back once again. In the morning session we have discussed up to 3 problems and also besides the concepts of areas under the plane curves. So that will be continued now. Okay, right. Fine, Vamshi Krishna, Vaishnavi, Suma, Balu, Prasanna, Mohana Krishna, Prasanna, Ani, right, Dasari, right. Let us start. Areas, part 2. So we talk about the areas part 2. So we discuss fourth problem now. Fourth problem. Right. The area bounded by the curve y equals to 1 plus 8 upon x square. Parabola tomorrow morning with x-axis and the ordinates at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Okay, is first option 2 square units, second option 3 square units, third one is 4 square units, fourth option is 5 square units. Okay, the area bounded by the curve y equals to 1 plus 8 upon x square with x-axis and the lines x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. Simply integrate. So that cannot be done, Rishita Yadav, because I need to use the digital. So if I do the fast, you cannot observe. Okay, no problem. You can leave if you are not interested, because it's a technical problem here we have. Now the solution. So now the area is given by integral 2 to 4. We can write y dx. Okay. Integral 2 to 4 1 plus 8 upon x square dx. Okay. So now this equals to, we can write 1 into dx integral 2 to 4 plus 8 common integral 1 by x square dx 2 to 4. Okay. Now this equals to integral of dx is x, limits 2 to 4 plus 8 times integral of 1 by x square dx. Remember all of you, that's very important. that is minus 1 by x, limits 2 to 4. Let us substitute the respective limits now. What do you get now here? 4 minus 2 and plus here minus 8 times 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So we need to simplify this one. So this can be simplified like this. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Minus 8 into 1 by 4 is 2. Minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 plus 4. 2 gets cancelled, 4. So answer is 4 square units. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Next now. Right. Fifth one. The area under the curve y equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 with boundaries as x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 is okay. Ashok, who is this Ashok? Where are you from? 3 by upon 8 square units. Second, 2 by 3 square units. Third, 3 upon 5 square units. Fourth, 9 upon 2 square units. So this problem cannot be done directly. So we need to solve using the concept basis problem. This is okay. Kadapa, right. So now take the coordinate axis. First we need to draw the figure. Then we will understand the problem. Okay. So this is x dash, this is x, this is y, this is y dash, this is the origin. Okay, now actually take this is y equals to x square minus 3x plus 2. So we need to draw the figure. Actually understood now. So that means this we can write like this, x minus 1 into x minus 2. So the zeros of this polynomial is 1 comma 2. That means at 1, at 2, at 1, at 2, it cuts the x-axis. So that means you will get the curve like this. You will get a parabola and you will get like this. So the 3 will be like this. 3 point will be here 3, and next what do we have? 0. This is 0. So now we need to find out area under the curve y is equal to x square plus 2x with boundaries actually 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means actually here we have, see, this is 0 like this. So now the area will be this area. Understood now? And we need to include this area. And next, this is, wait 1 minute now. Curve will be like this. Then this is 3. Now we need to find out this area also. See, it's above x-axis is positive, below x-axis is negative. You need to remember. Here we need to take negative, but here we need to take positive. Here we need to take positive. Understood now? So that means, okay, what is that formula? What is that formula? What is that formula? Okay, you apply and I will do that formula right now. So now this can be done like this now. So now area is equal to, we can write integral 0 to, this will be 1. This is 1, 0 to 1 y dx minus integral, this sign is minus, this sign is minus, 1 to 2 y dx and plus next integral 2 to 3 y dx. This we need to evaluate it. Understood now? That formula is for area between parabola and line. That is different. Okay, understood now? Yes. So now 0 to 1 y dx minus integral 1 to 2 y dx plus 2 to 3 y dx we need to find out. So now let me do, so how to do this one now? This area is equal to, we can write integral, now you check it now. See, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Now a equals to integral 0 to 1 x square minus 3x plus 2 dx minus integral 1 to 2 x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. Okay, next plus 2 to 3 integral 2 to 3 x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. This we need to do it. Okay, right now, so now this equals to, we can write x cube by 3 0 to 1 minus 3 times x square to 0 to 1 plus this will be 2x 0 to 1. Okay, you calculate this one. And minus, here we have minus, this will be x cube by 3 1 to 2 minus 3 times x square upon 2, 1 to 2, plus 2x 1 to 2, and plus x cube by 3 limits 2 to 3 minus 3 x square by 2, 2 to 3, plus 2 times you get x integral 2 to 3. So apply limit. After simplification, definitely will get 9 by 2 square units, which you can check it now. Okay, just the rest of the work you do it, because this myself also I need to calculate it, but option you will be getting 9 by 2 square units. So that's why here 9 by 2 square units is the answer. 9 by 2 square units. Okay, if you do direct integration you will get 0. Right. Next problem. This is sixth one. Sixth problem. Sixth problem. The area bounded by the x-axis and the curve y equals to 4x minus x square minus 3 is first option 1 by 3 square units, second is 2 by 3 square units, third one is 4 by 3 square units, fourth one is 8 by 3 square units. 8 by 3 square units. So this can be done. We have the shortcut for this problem. The area bounded by the x-axis and the curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is delta to the power of 3 by 2 upon 6a square. We have that formula. Now we can apply the shortcut for that one. So we have the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Let me write the shortcut. Shortcut. Area bounded by the x-axis and y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A does not equal to 0 is delta to the power of 3 by 2 upon 6a square units. I will tell you delta is nothing but discriminant. So in this case here a stands for minus 1 because here x square coefficient is minus 1, b equals to x coefficient 4, constant term c equals to minus 3. First find delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac. That is nothing but 16 minus 12, that will be 4. Am I correct now? Therefore, required area is equal to 4 to the power of 3 by 2 upon 6a square. 6a square means 6 into 1. This is 2 cube because 2 square, 2 cancel, upon 6. 8 upon 6. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja. That will be 4 upon 3 square units. Third option is the right option. So just 1 or 2 questions will come from this chapter. Right, next. Seventh question. Okay. The area of the region included between the parabola y equals to 3x square upon 4 and the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0 is first option 4 by 3 square units, second option 2 by 3 square units, third option is 21 upon 2 square units, fourth one is 27 square units. The area of the region included between the parabola y is equal to 3x square upon 2 and the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. That we need to find out. 8a square by 3m cube. Okay. 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square. What is a value here? A value is 3 by 16. Okay. 3m cube. Okay, let us check it now. Let us check it. Okay, now let us draw the diagram. X-axis and y-axis. Okay. See, this is x and x dash, y and y dash. So first actually here see y equals to 3x square by 4. It is nothing but this will be in the form of x square is equal to 4ay form. So Actually parabola passes through the origin. You get like this, upwards parabola. This is the origin now. So next line now, line. So line, here line equation is what is given now here, 3x minus 4 2y equals to 12. That's equal to 0. We can write 3x plus 12 is equal to 2y, whereas y equals to, we can write 3x plus 12 upon 2. This is say 2, second equation. This is say first equation, right? So now we need to draw this one. So x-intercept find out here. So that means if you divide by this one, 3x minus 12y minus 2y equals to minus 12, divide by minus 12 means you get x by minus 6 plus y by x by minus 4, y by 6 equals to 1. That means it cuts x-axis at minus 4 comma 0. That means at minus 4 comma 0, for example say this is minus 4, this is 6. We can draw a line like this. This is the line. Okay, now we need to find out this area, we need to find out. In between this point of intersection of these two one, and this point we need to find out now, first of all. That means first of all we need to solve it now. We need to solve this one. These two equations we need to solve. In the place of y, substitute 3x square by 4. So that means we get like this, 3x minus 2 times y means 3x square upon 4. Here plus 12 is equal to 0 we have. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Multiply with 2. 6x minus 3x square plus 24 equal to 0. Divide by minus 3. X square minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So now we get the factors x minus 4 into x plus 2 equals to 0. That means point of intersection we get x is equal to minus 2 and 4. That means this will be minus 2 and 4. That means in between minus 2 to 4 we need to find out. Minus 2 to 4 we need to find out. Okay, now next, so this is minus 2 to 4 line. This is the line now. This is the curve. This is the curve. That means area is given by integral minus 2 4. We need to find out like this, line minus curve dx we need to find out. Dx we need to find out. So let us do it now. Varsar gave formula to use with any line with a different process, but I got 27 as answer. Okay, I will check it now. So now what is the line equation here? Actually 3x plus 12 by 2, and next this is 3 by 4 x square. So that we can now find out like this. A equals to integral of minus 2 to 4. What is the line equation? You will get it now. Line equation is 3x plus 12, y value is 2, minus this will be 3x square upon 4 dx. Okay, let us integrate it now. So this equals to, we can write like this, 3 by 2 common, integral of x is x square by 2, limits minus 2 to 4, this will be 6 plus 6x minus 2 to 4 and minus 3 by 4. Integral of x square is x cube by 3, but limits are what? Minus 2 to 4. See, this is 3 by 4 because 2 into 2 4. X square, 4 square is 16 and minus 2 square is 4 plus 6 times x is 4, 4 minus of minus 4 plus 2 minus 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 times 4 cube is 64. This will be plus 8. 2 cube is 8 but minus 2 plus 8. This will be 3 by 4 times 12 plus 6 into 6 minus 1 by 4 times 72. 4 3 ja 4 4 1 ja 4 4 8 ja 18. That means 9 plus 36 minus 18. 45 minus 18 equal to 27 square units. This is the answer. 27 square units is the answer. Madhurima, your answer is correct. 27. Okay. So, Mohana Krishna, when it is only m is equal to y is equal to mx, you need to take. Otherwise, you will get wrong. Okay, now eighth one. The area of the region lying between the line x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 and the curve x is equal to root y is first option is 9 square units, second option is 9 by 2 square units, third option is 10 by 3 square units, fourth option is none. This is the question. Okay, now so let us do directly now, no problem actually. Already we have done. This line can be written as y equals to x plus 2. Say equation 1. Curve squaring x square is equal to y. Say 2. Now area is equal to, write down. So we need to solve for this one, point of intersection. You need to solve these two equations. See, x square equals to x plus 2. Limits you need to find out. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Can I write like this? X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. See, 1 and 2 is actually how much you will be getting? X is equal to minus 1 and 2. In between minus 1 to 2, we need to find out the integration now. So, eighth solution. A equals to integral minus 1 to 2. Line means how much now? X plus 2 minus x square dx. This is x square upon 2, limits minus 1 to 2, 2x 1 to 2, x cube by 3. Sorry, minus 1 to 2. This equals to 2 square. 4 by 2 is 2, minus 1 by 2 plus 2 times 2, minus of minus plus 1. This is minus of 1 by 3 common here. 2 cube is 8 plus 1. This will be 3 by 2 plus 6 minus this will be 9, 3. 3 by 2 plus 3. That means 9 by 2 square units. 9 by 2 square units. That means option 2 is the right option. Right. Now ninth one. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to 2x minus x square and the straight line y is equal to minus x is given by first option 9 by 2 square units, second one is 43 by 6 square units, third option is 35 by 6 square units, fourth is none. Okay. Right now, morning I have discussed one shortcut. That shortcut may be applicable, otherwise we can solve the problem. Right. So we don't have anything. Okay, let us do it now. Right. If you draw the figure, the graph of this one will be downwards parabola you will be getting. Downwards parabola means this y is equal to minus x becomes that means parabola is the upper curve, this line becomes the lower. That means here we need to do curve minus line and we need to integrate it. Now we need to find out the point of intersection first. Let us find out now. Solution. Say y equals to 2x minus x square. Say equation 1. Second is y is equal to minus x. Equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. So they can be solved like this now. 2x minus x square is equated to minus x. This can be written x square minus 3x equals to 0. X common, we have x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we get the boundaries. X is equal to 0 and 3. In between 0 to 3 you need to find out now. Okay, now. So ninth solution. If you draw the figure, you will be getting like this. So generally the curve meets x-axis at origin also, and x is equal to 0 and 2, like this we will be getting. This is the y is equal to minus x line. So this is the line, this is the parabola. Under this we need to find out the area. Now curve, this is line. That means area equals to, we get like this, 0 to 3. Integral 0 to 3 parabola. What is the parabola? 2x minus x square and minus of minus x, you will get plus x dx. This can be written integral 0 to 3 3x minus x square dx. So 3 common, integral 0 to 3 x dx minus integral 0 to 3 x square dx. But you need to do compulsory. So let us do it now. 3 times x square upon 2 limit 0 to 3 minus x cube by 3 limit 0 to 3. So we need to simplify now. So that means now what do you get now here? 3 upon 2 x square, 3 square, 9 minus 0 minus 1 by 3, 3 cube is 27 minus 0. This will be 27 upon 2 minus 9, 27 minus 18 upon 2. That will be 9 by 2 square units. 9 by 2. Okay, check the method. Now the 10th question, right. The area enclosed between the curve y equals to log of x plus e to the base e and the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis and y-axis both. Coordinate axis is The area enclosed between the curve y is equal to log of x plus e. Okay. Right. The area enclosed between the curve y is equal to log of x plus e to the base e and the coordinate axis is. Okay, now Madhurima, can you give for this one shortcut? First option 1 square unit. For second one 2 square units. Third one 3 square units. Fourth one 4 square units. What's your answer, Madhurima, for this question? For 10th question. Okay. Very good. No problem. For all problems, actually, Madhurima, we don't have the shortcuts. See here, this should be done with the help of the concept only. We don't have any shortcut for this problem. Please do remember. Right. So now the area enclosed between the curve y is equal to log of x plus e to the base e and the coordinate axis means. That means first we need to find out where does it cut x-axis, where does it cut y-axis, we need to find out. That means on x-axis y is equal to 0, on x-axis, on y-axis x is equal to 0, on x-axis y is equal to 0, so that we can find out the points actually at which the curve cut the both the axes. Then easily we can find out area enclosed between the coordinate axis. First we need to draw the figure for this one. Right, let us do it now. So given curve is y equals to log of x plus e to the base e. Say equation 1. Put x is equal to 0 on y-axis, that means y equals to log e to the base e 1. That means it cuts y-axis at 0, 1. Put y is equal to 0. That means log of x plus e to the base e equals to 0. Now we get x plus e equals to e to the power of 0, whose value is 1. So x equals to 1 minus e. It cuts x-axis at 1 minus e comma 0. E is approximately equal to 2.618. 1 minus e will be negative. Now let us go for 10th solution now. 10th solution. Let us draw the figure now. See, take the coordinate axis like this. The curve cuts like this. Y-axis and x-axis. This is actually 1 minus e comma 0. This will be 0 comma 1. This is the origin. This area we need to find out. That means very simple now. 1 minus e to 0 integrate. You will get the answer. That means actually your solution will be like this. Required area is equal to integral 1 minus e to 0. Okay, 1 minus e to 0. Now log of otherwise, see this is line is in between Okay, y dx, x plus e base e dx. So now we need to do this one, LIATE rule. LIATE rule. Logarithmic first function, algebra second function. First function is log of x plus e. Next, integral of dx is x. So we get x. Integral 1 minus e to 0. So minus here 1 minus e to 0. Derivative of log of x plus e is 1 by x plus e. Next, x dx. Okay. So now this is x log of x plus e 1 minus e to 0 minus integral 1 minus e to 0, add e subtract e, x plus e minus e upon x plus e dx. Okay. Now substituting upper limit 0, this will be minus of 1 minus e, and 1 minus e cancel, this also 0, this becomes 0, and minus x plus e by x plus e is actually 1, integral of dx is x, limits 1 minus e to 0 you will be getting. So put the bracket like this, and minus into minus plus, e common, 1 by x plus e is log of x plus e, limits 1 minus e to 0. So now this becomes 0, leave it now. This is minus of 0 minus 1 plus e, and plus e into first log e. Log e is 1, and next what do you get now here? Minus, you will be getting 1 plus e minus e, log 1 is 0. So if you simplify, you will get like this now, 1 minus e plus e, e gets cancelled, we have 1, answer is 1. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay. So now eleventh problem. 11th question. The area of the region bounded okay, later I will explain. 2 marks. Bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x, x-axis and the ordinates x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to 0, x equals to pi by 3 is, first option is 1 by 3 square units, second option is 1 by 2 square units, third option is 3 by 2 square units, fourth option is 2 by 3 square units. This is the question. Right. Today is due to solar eclipse, actually I continued only 1 hour in the morning session. So tomorrow definitely I will take up to 11:20. I don't have any idea about Reddipati. Bogalahari, I don't use that word because if you know the meaning of that word, you cannot use. Right. Area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x, x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 3. Okay. Right. So now the 11th solution. So before going to the solution, let's have a just little bit discussion on this one. Okay, this is a rough sketch. Okay, x dash and y dash. Okay, now here see, let us draw the graph of sin x. See, let us draw the graph of sin x. Sin 0 is 0. For example, this will be take here pi by 2. Take this here, it will be 1 maximum value. So you get a graph like this. This graph is sin x in between 0 to pi, sin x graph. But we need to find out up to pi by 3 itself only. Pi by 3 lies here only. So this is the pi by 3. Now we need to find this area. Okay, that's all. So that means area is equal to integral 0 to pi by 3 y dx. So here y nothing but sin x. Sin x. So integral 0 to pi by 3 sin x dx. Integral of sin x is very dangerous. Minus cos x. Limits 0 to pi by 3. Derivative of sin x is plus cos x. But integral of sin x is minus cos x. So now the minus upper limit cos pi by 3 minus lower limit cos 0. So minus of here cos pi by 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and minus 1. This is minus of minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square units. This is the answer. Right, 1 by 2. Next, 12th question. 12th question. The line x is equal to pi by 4 divides the area of the region bounded by y is equal to sin x, and y is equal to cos x, and x-axis, here boundaries 0 less than x, x less than pi by 2. So this interval is being divided by x is equal to pi by 4 into two regions of areas A1 and A2. Then A1 is to A2 equals to 4:1, second 3:1, fourth 2:1, third 2:1, fourth 1:1. This is third 2:1. Okay, Mukesh, what is your answer? The line x is equal to pi by 4 divides the area of the region bounded by y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x, both the curves, and x-axis in between the first coordinate 0 to pi by 2 into two regions of areas whose areas are A1 and A2 respectively. Then A1 is to A2 you need to find out. Right. Let us check 12th solution. Okay. So now let us draw the figure first. X-axis x dash, y and y dash. So now take this is 0. Okay, next pi by 4 and next pi by 2. First let us draw y is equal to sin x graph with red color. Sin 0 0. This will be maximum value 1. So up to 1. This is sine graph. Red is sine. So now you take another color green. Now cos 0 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay. Now there is a line x is equal to pi by 4. Separates two areas. This is A1. This is A2. A1 is to A2 we need to find out. This is very simple. 0 to pi by 4 of red curve. Red is what now? This is sin x. Green is what? Cos x. So first let us find out A1 and A2. Then we need to find out ratio between this A1 and A2 we need to find out. Okay, Sham, you can make a move. First A1. A1 equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 between red curve. Red curve is actually red is the sin x dx in between 0 to pi by 4. Sin x is minus cos x. Just we have the previous case we applied 0 to pi by 4. So minus cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and cos 0 is how much? 1. This will be 1 minus 1 by root 2. Am I correct now? This we can write root 2 minus 1 by root 2. This is A1. Let us move to the A2, area of A2. I will take another color. This is pink color. Integral 0 to, pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now green is cos x, is sin x, limits between pi by 4 to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1 minus 1 by root 2. This is root 2 minus 1 by root 2. What do you observe from these two? Here A1 equals to A2. Now A1 is to A2 is same. 1 is to 1. This is the answer. So that means fourth option is the right option. Thank you. So we shall meet you in the next class. The next class is parabola. So tomorrow morning, at least 1.5 hours I will take on parabola itself only. The evening session, the areas will be continued. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.